that? What's that?
It's called a slinky. Slinky, see? Let me show you. Let me show you. I'm going to show you, okay? It goes like this, you see? And then, what you do is you make it go down the stairs. Ready? Want to see it go down the stairs? It walks down the stairs. You want to see it? Okay, watch this. Ready? Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, you do it. Put it here. Okay? And then flip the top, okay? I'll show you. I'll show you and then you do it, okay? Let Daddy show you and then you can do it. I have to show you. Okay. And then take it and put it on the next stair. You almost got it.
Jacob, let Daddy show you how to do it once, and then you do it.
Let Daddy show you. Okay? Just one time. And then you can do it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Daddy gonna show you how it works. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oops, didn't work. Wait. It's not working. Hey, did you see that? It almost worked.
I can do it now.
Okay, you do it. You can probably do it as well as I can. Go ahead, do it.
Get that. Bounce, 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 bounce.
Here, I'll show you how to do it like this. Watch. The other way you do, you go like this. Want to try it? Okay.
Hey.
No. You take this side, you hold this side in this hand, and then this side in this hand, and then you go like this.
Do you like it?
It's slime.
Do you like it? Okay, what do you say?
If you